Hello everyone, I am teacher Kelly and for today, we will review for your speaking test. Please look at the picture and answer my questions. Where is mom? She is in the dining room. Where is mom? Where is brother? He is in the bathroom. Where is brother? Where is dad? He is in the kitchen. Where is dad? Where is sister? She is in the bedroom. Where is sister? Where is the baby? He is in the living room. Where is the baby? Where is grandma? She is in the bedroom. Where is grandma? Where is grandpa? He is in the garden. Where is grandpa? Where is the dining room? It's downstairs. Where is the dining room? Where are the bedrooms? They are upstairs. Where are the bedrooms? Where is the bathroom? It's upstairs. Where is the bathroom? Where is the living room? It's downstairs. Where is the living room? Is sister in the garden? No, she isn't. Is sister in the garden? Is brother in the bathroom? Yes, he is. Is brother in the bathroom? Is mom in the dining room? Yes, she is. Is mom in the dining room? Is grandpa in the living room? No, he isn't. Is grandpa in the living room? Well done, students. Goodbye.